I get a lot of people that are nearing retirement or have already retired, and they want to set themselves up for the future and to be more comfortable than they've been in the past. Budget is always something that people keep in mind, and that's a really good thing to focus on because there's a lot of equipment out there, there's a lot of companies you can deal with, and there's a lot of choices that you can make. I like to make sure that people look at the whole picture of what they're trying to deal with, whether it is replacing a furnace or maybe adding things to make a house more comfortable. Humidifiers, air filters, UV lights, HRVs, ERVs, all kinds of equipment that you could choose from. But it's always a good idea to try and ask yourself, what is working in my house and what isn't working and that I'd like to improve. Quite often I get a lot of people that go away for months at a time because maybe they have retired, maybe you've retired, and you want the security to know that whatever you have in your home is going to be reliable. You're not going to be dealing with a phone call from thousands of miles away back at your home saying, you need to deal with something right now because maybe the heat's not on. Maybe there's the risk of things freezing, or maybe there's been some other kind of malfunction that whoever you've had checking on your home has discovered. There's a lot of different things that I provide on this channel, a lot of different conversations that we have, but I try to cover a little bit of everything. But everything is to keep you in mind and to help you understand what you're dealing with, analyze your situations, and make really good decisions.